Energy is the inner loop for everything right now.
Yeah, I think the future currency will essentially just be wattage.
Yeah, I was thinking, is the ability of a person to control energy and compute, or just energy? I mean,
Well,
the
yeah,
two translate,
just
obviously.
like harnessed energy.
Yeah,
Like so, or like basically how much power is being turned into work of some kind,
right.
intelligence or matter manipulation.
So that's your next big project, is going to be energy. It's going to be, you're going to go back
Well,
to
you can
your
you
solar
can you
city
can expand
roots.
from there and say,
Yeah.
okay, what about even getting somewhere on a Kardashev 3 scale, meaning galaxy level?
Now we're talking. Now we're back to Star Trek.
Yeah, expand horizons here.
Yes.
Well, there isn't even a horizon because you're not on a planet.
So we talk about,
So if you think galaxy mind,
yeah. Well, listen,
that's
we're in 11.5 million square foot, 3 pentagons right here in this building. I
yeah.
mean, you think in a reasonably large scale.
Orders of magnitude.
Yeah.
So I mean, so from a challenge standpoint, I guess the civilizational challenge will be how do you climb the orders of magnitude
Yeah.
in energy harnessed?
But we're going back to why you optimistic right now. I mean, when people think about the challenges ahead, I think we're going to end up with abundance in the long run. It's, for me,
Beyond abundance in any beyond what people possibly could think of as abundance. Like the AI actually, AI and robots to the limit will saturate all human desire.
sure.